Yeah. Good morning, guys. Oh, what's up, guys? It's too cold.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? It's 6 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and we are just entering Allo. I'm here with Hafzal, who is also freezing, Bilal, and Zamri. We're gonna be here for 2 days, and we have a couple of things planned to do. I'm gonna do this vlog a bit differently. I'm gonna make different video for different activities that we're trying to do. I'm finding it hard to talk because it's really cold. We just got down to just change clothes, and Hafzal went from shorts and t-shirt to full jacket.
I can't stay, man.
It's crazy, man. It's too cold. It's a big difference from coming from Colombo all the way here. Beautiful scenery. So first vlog's gonna be Little Adams Peak. We're almost there.
Let's go.
10 kilometers away, and let's see. What's up, guys? So we're here at we are flying Ravana. We'll be coming to do that later. We're gonna go for a morning hike to Adams Peak, and we had a small leech scare. This guy Bilal,
Yes.
as he got out of the vehicle, said, you know,
There's a leech on
I'm
my
scared of leech, and as he said he's scared of leeches, there was a leech on his foot. And now we're all paranoid because we don't have salt. Do you know the route to go?
You can go this way.
Okay.
I think you can go up that way as well.
Bloody hell, man. No, just walk slowly, dude. Why are you scaring us? Like, what you do? Let's see you. Come. So this little doggy here decided to guide us. He's been following us for a long time and leading the path. Oh, who is a good doggy? I'll pet you, but not now. I want to eat later. So yeah, so he's been following us and leading the way. So we're following this fellow.
This dog is not so scared. Friendly guy. He got scared.
Thank you. Oh, what a height. Good. Careful. He stopped by for sneakers break. Exhausting. We have a guide dog, and she's just going ahead. She just stops every few meters to wait for us. What a good dog. Okay, so we are here at the top of Little Adams Peak and take our pictures. The view here is really nice. So we just finished the hike up Little Adams Peak. We're now just gonna go head back to the where we're gonna stay. No idea where that is. We'll go drive there. And if you like this video, leave a like, comments, shares, follows, subscribe, everything. And also you can follow these guys, Bilal, Hafzal, and Zamri. We have something else planned. It's going to be a different vlog. We're going to make a different vlog. It's going to be a different episode. Something interesting, something nice, something completely new. So see you then. Until then, hope you enjoy the video.